What's up, Interweb? We were feeling bored today in quarantine, so we figured we'd get crafty.
And to do that, we're going to bling out some old sunglasses that we had laying around. Yeah.
These are some of the fun glasses I've collected over the last few years. I'm going to pick something out of these.
To prep our table, we used some grocery bags that we got from the store. And for items that we used glitters, glues, rhinestones, paints, neon paints, anything that we had laying around the house.
First thing I chose to do was to take the temples off of the frames. To do this, I had to get a small screwdriver. I unscrewed each temple, and to not lose the screws, I put masking tape so that they won't roll around.
I think it's a good idea that you took the temples off. If I had to do this again, I probably would have done the same. Also, I probably would have popped the lenses out. It wasn't possible for this pair of glasses, but if I did it again, I would definitely do that.
Okay, so first part of my project is to use some glue. I'm going to put some glitter on there, so I chose E6000. I'm going to put that right between the lenses and drop some glitter onto them. I want to save as much glitter as I can because I do quite a few projects, so I use a piece of paper as a catch tray. And you'll see me make a little crease, that way I can flick it back into the container and save that glitter.
For my glasses, I really wanted to bling them out and make them sparkle. I'm using a gem tack for my glue, which helps hold rhinestones to pretty much any surface. I've got some rhinestones that I ordered from Amazon throughout the years. A placement, I am using a pair of tweezers, and I don't have a crystal katana, but I found a wax sealing stick, and it's really helping the gems stick to the surface like I need them to.
I had logos on each side of my glasses, so I chose to put some glue there over the logo and cover them with some pretty cool bar glitter.
That looks dope.
Yeah.
Super dope.
Thanks. Oh, that's sweet. So this is looking pretty cool right now. As you see, I didn't go all the way down with the glitter because you need to leave space for your ears. As you put on the glasses, they're going to slide right past your ears and past your hair, and you don't want to scratch the glitter off, and you don't want to scratch your head. So now I'm going to place some UV activated green fluorescent paint to the front of the frames for some extra UV bling. Look at that.
Dope.
Right?
Yeah, I love it.
Why is that? And then these are also
Hard thing is that these tweezers get glue on them. I don't know how to make sure this
yeah, you're good.
So you have to keep cleaning the ends off, or your gem will never release. It'll just stay stuck. Alright, scrub me?
Script tag.
Oh, okay. Scrub tech, thanks, honey. Thank you. Oh, thanks. See. Just finishing up placing these rhinestones, and then we're gonna let these guys dry for 24 hours.
Yeah. Hey, Rakaya,
Yeah, Mario?
these bling dot glasses are looking pretty blinged.
Yeah.
I think it's time for a photo shoot!
Thanks again for watching, you guys. We had a lot of fun doing this project.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this project with you guys as well. If you'd like to see us do other projects and you have an idea of something you want to watch us do, please leave it in the comments below.
Yeah.
Until then, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
See you next time.